Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. Today in this video we will be learning how to change your profile picture on your Meesho account using the Meesho application on your smartphone. So the first thing to do is to open the Meesho app on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. After logging in, click on the profile picture at the top left corner and click on your name on the top. From here you will see the Edit Profile Information page. Click on Change Picture underneath your profile picture. Now, click on Change Picture once again and then select your device's camera roll or the camera on your device and take a picture. I'm going to choose an existing picture from my library, so let me tap on Library option. Now select a picture you want to change as your profile picture in the app and then wait for a few seconds. Your new profile picture will reflect on your profile information page. Now click on Save at the bottom. And there you go. You have a new profile picture for your Meesho account. With updating your profile picture, it will make your account look professional, build trust with your buyers, personalize your seller profile for better recognition. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.